In this experiment, we will test the presence of any adulterations in ghee. So for the experiment, you will need test tubes, you need some sugar, some starch solution, or you can also use starch that you have extracted from sweet potato that you have at home, and you need ghee, a measuring spoon, and some droppers. Generally, the ghee that we get is sometimes adulterated with adulterations like Vanaspati, that is hydrogenated fat, and also sometimes with starch. So we will go ahead and check if these are present. So to begin the experiment, take a test tube. You can take your measuring spoon and take about 1 spoon of your ghee. Pour it in. To this 1 teaspoon of ghee, and which generally preferred is melted ghee, add about a pinch of sugar. And once you have gone ahead and put the sugar in, you can just close the test tube and shake the mixture well. Let's just increase the quantity of ghee a little bit, and maybe you can take about 1 teaspoon that you use at home, but about of your measuring spoon you can take about 2 spoons. In the meanwhile, take a second test tube and we will test this for whether the ghee contains any starch or any other such adulterations. So just take about another spoon of ghee that is given, and here we will just try and adulterate it with some starch. So take the starch powder that is given in your lab kit and just add about a pinch of it. Shake it well. And then bring your iodine solution and just add about 1 or 2 drops. And notice the color change. So you will observe that there is a color change, and at the bottom you will see that the brownish liquid of iodine has turned into blackish color. So that confirms the presence of adulteration such as starch in the ghee. In the meanwhile, after 5 minutes, you can make an observation of the first test tube that we had set aside. Now this does not show any color change. So this shows that this ghee is not adulterated. Had it been adulterated with any hydrogenated fat like Vanaspati or any vegetable oil, you would see a red color line that would have appeared at the bottom, thus confirming the presence of adulterated ghee. At home, this is how you can go ahead and check adulterations in the ghee that is provided.